Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to upload a CapCut video to YouTube. First, unlock your phone and open CapCut. You can either create a new video by tapping New Video or open an already edited video from your projects. Once your video is ready, open the project and tap Export. The edited video will be saved to your iPhone's Photos app. After exporting the video, open the YouTube app. Tap Create at the bottom right side of the screen. Tap the Gallery option at the bottom left side of the screen. Your iPhone gallery will open, so select the video you exported from CapCut. After selecting your video, tap Next at the bottom right side. Make any required adjustments, then tap Done. Tap Next again at the bottom right side. Add your caption or title for the video or short. Finally, tap Upload Short if you're uploading a short, or choose Upload Video for a regular YouTube video. Your CapCut video will then be uploaded to YouTube. And that's how you can upload a CapCut video to YouTube. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more YouTube tutorials.